Hey! Welcome back to Wave of the Future! What do you guys think about threesomes? I mean, this is a threesome.
It is. The ratio is way wrong.
Story time!
Sometimes, when I'm really lonely and all out of hope, I look up to the sky and I wonder if there is a God. Would he be a cat? Would he be a cat? Yes. 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 I feel myself becoming that cat. And pink or rainbow. I want to have your children, but I don't want to give birth to them. I want to go into your house while you're sleeping and steal them. Hello to God damn it! Ah! Perfect. Perfect. Exactly what we needed. Well, thank you, Wave of the Future faithful, and tune in next week.